With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi all, let's see today's question. A square is inscribed in the circle x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 4y minus 93 is equal to 0 with its sides parallel to the coordinate axis. Then vertices of the square are. So let's first write down the general equation of a circle, that is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, and center is equal to minus g comma minus f, and radius is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. Now comparing this general equation with the given equation, we see here that 2g is equal to minus 2 and 2f is equal to 4. So let's write that here. 2g is equal to minus 2 and 2f is equal to 4, which gives us g is equal to minus 1 and f is equal to 2. So this gives us the center as minus g comma minus f. So center becomes 1 comma minus 2 and radius becomes equal to root of g square plus f square minus c, which is equal to g and f we have already found. So that is 1 plus f square is 4 minus c here is minus 93. So this becomes plus 93. So this becomes equal to root of 98, which can be simplified to 7 root 2. So if radius is equal to 7 root 2, then we know diameter is twice the radius, right? So diameter will become equal to 14 root 2. So now let's draw this square that is inscribed in a circle. So now we see a square inscribed in a circle. Now the diagonal of the square will be this. So if side of the square, if one side is equal to a, then all sides are equal to a, and the diagonal will be root of a square plus a square, which is root 2 into a. Now we see here that this diagonal of the square is also the diameter of the circle, and that we have found as 14 root 2. So root 2 into a is equal to 14 root 2, and therefore we get a is equal to 14. Now it's given that sides are parallel to the coordinate axis, sides of the square. So that means the sides, equation of the sides will be of the format x is equal to a constant and y is equal to another constant. Each side will be equal, each side will have an equation of this format. So if we name the vertices as a, b, c and d, then the horizontal sides will have the equation of x is equal to a constant, as we have seen just now. Sorry, y is equal to the constant, right? Vertical is the y-axis and horizontal is the x-axis. So now we see the coordinate axis here, x and y, and the sides of the square are parallel to the axis. So here we see side AD will be, equation of this line will be x is equal to a constant. So let's say that x is equal to 8. Let us assume that this line is of this equation, and side BC, let's say that the equation is x is equal to b, and side AB and DC will have y is equal to constant. So let DC be of the equation y is equal to c, and side AB be y is equal to d. So now that we have the equations of the sides, we will find out notation for vertices. So vertex A will be, what is x here? X is A. So A comma and y is D. A comma D. Vertex B will become x is equal to B and y is equal to D. And now I'll write down vertex C below because there's no space there. Vertex C will be x is what? B and y is C. And vertex D will be x is A and y is C. So what we are asked is to find out the vertices of the square. Now let's find that. Let's mark the center of the circle here that we have found out to be 1, minus 2. Now from here, I've redrawn this circle and square separately here. So we see here center is this point. Now we know that the one side of the square is A, that is 14. So that means from the center till this top will be 7. Till the bottom here also 7. To the left side 7. And to the right side also 7. So then if we know the center is 1, minus 2. So we have x is equal to A. This is x is equal to A, right? So if we consider the coordinate axis, then if this point is 1, then this point will be 1 minus 7, right? It is traveling a distance of 7 behind. So then what we get? A is equal to 1 minus 7, that is minus 6. Similarly, B is ahead by 7, ahead of 1 by 7. So B is equal to 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Now similarly, for the y coordinates, we'll see here, if this point is in the y-axis, if this point is minus 2, then C is 7 below minus 2. So that is minus 2 minus 7, that is minus 9. And D will be 7 ahead of minus 2. So that is minus 2 plus 7, which is equal to 5. So now that we have the values of A, B, C and D, we can write down the coordinates here. Vertex A will be A comma D, right? So what did we get? A as minus 6 and D is 5. And vertex B will be B comma D, that is 8 comma 5. Vertex C will be B comma C, so that is 8 comma minus 9. And vertex D will be A comma C, which is minus 6 comma minus 9. So now that we have found all the three vertices, let us check in the answer options which one is the correct one. So here we see the first one is minus 6 minus 9 and minus 6 5 8 5 8 comma minus 9. So the first option is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.